Hi, I'm Christy with Happily Hooked Magazine. In this video, I will be teaching you how to crochet the back post treble crochet. To complete a normal treble crochet, you will yarn over 2 times. Working in the stitch, you will work in both loops here, the top stitch, yarn over and pull back through. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. But if you want to work on the post, and in this instance we're doing the back post, you yarn over twice just like you would a normal treble. Hold those loops, go from the back to the front to the back. Yarn over and pull it all the way back through, and then complete it like a treble crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over 2 times, go from back to front to back, yarn over and pull it back through, complete like a treble crochet. So we're working on the post, and you can see here that the double crochet post sits here on the front, to where your treble back post double crochet is on the back. So that's how you complete that stitch. Join me back here for more tutorials with Happily Hooked Magazine.